Haley Franklin. I'm doing a tutorial today on installing long hair extensions with short hair. I'm starting off by sectioning a top section here. This is going to be the only part of my hair that's going to actually fall naturally. Everything else is going to be extensions, so it's very important that I have nice clean lines here. I'm going to pin this up out of the way. Now that I have that squared away, I'm going to start sectioning. I'm going to have 3 sections using these elastics, and you can see right here I'm parting it all the way back. Again, clean lines. Now I'm going to be tying this elastic very tight to my head, but not too much tension because I don't want it to stick out. You don't want to see these when you install the extensions, obviously, so it's very important that they lie flat to your head. As I'm parting the next section, you may notice that I'm leaving out a little bit of hair. That's going to make it look really natural. You don't want to leave out too much hair. It's going to look very choppy and uneven if you do. Last section here, we're just going to secure it with an elastic, remembering to keep very little tension so that the hair does not stick out in the back. I like to use the Kuene Brilliance Gloss Spray to add some moisture back into the hair. It's going to give a nice, sleek look. As I'm brushing the oil through the ends of the hair, I want to take my flat iron here and just smooth out those flyaways. I'm going to start off by using this 3-clip piece, and it's going to be placed about midway up the ear. Next, I'm going to be taking these 2 single pieces and placing them on each side of the 3-clip piece. Next up, I'm using another 3-clip piece. Again, I'm just brushing through these to make sure there's no tangles. I'm going to grab my Brilliance Gloss Spray and spray. This is not only going to create a sleek look, but you have to remember that hair extensions do not naturally create oil, and we want to preserve them. This time I'm starting on the side of the head. It's going to almost reach the back of the middle part of the head. I just grabbed 2 pieces, and both of them have 2 clips on the back. These together are going to be a little bit longer than the 3-piece and kind of compensate for that gap in the back. Again, to work up the back of the head, I'm going to be using this 4-clip piece. I also wanted to point out that I'm only using 1 set of hair extensions in this tutorial, but if you like a fuller look, you can purchase another bundle and incorporate those pieces into this same technique. The last piece that I'm going to be using is a 4-clip piece. I'm placing this in the back right below where I parted my hair off and sectioned it at the top. I don't want to go above that because it's going to lay funny once I let that section down. As you can see here on the sides, you can see the extensions. They look kind of crazy, but there's going to be plenty of hair left up top to fall and look very natural and cover those track lines. I've added some gloss spray and now I am just flat ironing the ends of my hair, making sure it is so smooth. One of the worst habits I have with short hair is taking the flat iron and just turning it on the end. You don't want to do this for this look because it's very sleek and straight. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. I know I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and be sure to follow me on Facebook and Instagram.